Hi, my name is David Mosheri, CEO of HeyGo2 Marketing, and also a marketing member with davidmosheri.com. I'm making this video to introduce myself, but to also tell you a little bit more about ourselves and why you should choose us to handle your marketing and your funnels. We've been building funnels before ClickFunnels was even a company. We've been doing this with so many different systems tied into automation systems that it is very difficult for us to be able to fail with the knowledge and experience that we have. And when there are times that you need to make adjustments to either your process or your thought process, we have the confidence and the experience to tell you where you need to make those adjustments. Understand, this is more than just designs, graphic designs, content, and landing pages. You need to build a cohesive marketing plan that ties all of this together. That is going to help you move forward and propel you to your goals and be able to succeed. So when you're looking for a marketing company, look for somebody who has done hundreds of funnels, who's created funnels for hundreds of clients. And I'm so confident in our experience and knowledge when it comes to funnels of all sort that if I don't exceed your expectations on a free consultation, I'm going to give you our prized WordPress plugin absolutely free. So take a moment, reach out to me, and let's start looking at your goals.